Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you would need to go ahead over to your phone's camera. Okay. Also, make sure that your phone's camera got live photo. All right, or live photo is available. So on your iPhone, it will say live right here at the very top. For Android or Samsung devices, it will say motion photo. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a clip right here. And in your gallery, you should be able to see view motion photo. All right. And when you go ahead and tap on it, it should play just like a video. Now, once that's done, or once you've recorded your motion photo or live photo, just go ahead over to Instagram and then just tap on your gallery right here and then find the motion photo. All right. So tap on it. And now you have the boomerang option. So just tap. It's now going to process. Just wait for it. Hit on done and then share it. That's how simple it is to make a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.